how to redeem voucher code in Airalo. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem voucher code in Airalo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And please don't forget that you are going to find the Airalo sign up link and website link in the description of this video. So basically, if I go into Airalo, obviously you have to create an account in order to redeem the voucher code. Let's wait. Okay, there is my homepage. And at the bottom of my screen, I have the store, my ASIMs, and the profile. There in the profile, in the second option, earn money and membership, I'm going into it. And there's the option to redeem the voucher, okay? You can redeem your voucher code to add earn money to your wallet. So if I click on it, you have to fill the blank to enter the voucher code and redeem it. And that's it. That's how you're going to be able to redeem the voucher code in Airalo. Thanks for watching.